We have 4 brand new plays for you this afternoon, written by people who are in this very room.
Such a nice activity, because it's basically, you mustn't forget, this is a workshop situation. Lovely new young writers take part in the workshop with Dennis leading, go from the idea and then involving actors and directors, technicians. It's quite complicated, but extremely a wonderful trip. And maybe it'd be nice to just welcome the actors with a little round of applause.
Yeah. Pleiades by Morag.
I know you love it. And I know it's your family home, but I could never stay here.
My imagination flourishes so well here. Maybe it is the solitude.
The Crush by Laura.
Morning.
Morning. Did I miss anything in the office yesterday afternoon?
Not really. Business as usual. So, how was your date last night with, what's his name? Alan. Alan from choir. Did you have a wonderful evening?
Oh no, it was awful.
Really?
Nothing is settled until everything is settled by Penny.
Wouldn't you agree?
Oh, I never thought it was going to be cut and dried. But wouldn't it be better if we presented a united front to the kids when we get there?
So what can we decide on?
Well, we're gifting the value of the house and jumping a generation, thereby to Elaine, George and Mike.
And lastly, The Heart by Nori.
Oh, I need some air.
Sit down.
I just need to step out for a minute. Why is it locked? Did you lock it?
I had to.
What the hell? Why?
Because I couldn't afford you wandering off.
Open the door.
I can't do that.
Can't? Can't or won't?
Calm yourself.
Don't say that. No one has ever calmed down when they're being told to calm down.